Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home and you all are studying well. Today in this video class, let us continue with the lesson how animals survive. Okay, till now what are the things we have studied? Yes, we have studied the definition of a habitat, what is adaptation, then the classification of animals on habitat, how the animals are classified on the basis of a habitat. The animals are classified into terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal and aerial animals. Yes, about these all the things we have studied detailed. Yes, what are terrestrial animals? The animals which live on a land are called terrestrial animals. What are aquatic animals? The animals which live in a water are called aquatic animals. What are amphibians? Animals which live on a both on land and in water are called amphibians. What are arboreal animals? The animals which lives on a trees. The animals which lives on a trees are called arboreal animals. What are aerial animals? The animals which can fly are called aerial animals. About these all the things we have studied, yes, in detail we have studied. Okay, yes dear students, today in this video class, let us continue with the lesson, yes, adaptation for a food. Yes, what is the today's concept? Adaptation for a food. Animals can be divided into different categories based on their eating habits. Yes, dear students, first we have studied classification of animals on a habitat. Okay, where they will live. Habitat is nothing but the natural place where the animals are living. ಸೊ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಆ ಅಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಅವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತಾವೆ, ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾವೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, animals can be divided into different categories. See, animals na ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೈಟ್ಸ್, ಯಸ್, ಅವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತಾವೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ಬಿವೋರ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ನಿವೋರ್ಸ್, ಓಮ್ನಿವೋರ್ಸ್, scavengers and parasites. Yes dear students, depending upon the eating habits, animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. These are the animal categories depending on their eating habits. Let us see about herbivores. The animals that eat only plants or plant products are known as the herbivores. See dear students, the animal that eat only plants, ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಂತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಹರ್ಬಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನ ತಿಂತವೆ ಅಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಹರ್ಬಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಡೀರ್, ಬಫೆಲೋ, ಗೋಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೌ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹರ್ಬಿವೋರ್ಸ್: ಡೀರ್, ಬಫೆಲೋ, goat and cow. Nothing but these animals, they will eat only the plant and the plant products they are eating. Deer it may be, buffalo, goat and cow, they will eat only plants here. Herbivores eat plants parts like leaves, roots, fruits, barks and grasses. What they will eat then from a plants? Yes, you know plants are having a different parts here. Okay, so some animals what they will do, they will eat grass. Some animals even they will eat parts like leaves, it may be roots tintave, fruits, barks irbodu athwa grasses. So the herbivore animals they will eat these all the parts of a plant here. For this they have sharp cutting front teeth and strong grinding flat teeth, so as to break the plant material into smaller pieces and chew them properly. Yes, dear students, so these animals they are having a sharp cutting front teeth. Yes, to cut that plant these animals are having a front teeth, and even that they have to grind it, so they are having a flat teeth here. And why they are having a flat teeth? To break the plant material here, they have to chew it, so they are having a flat teeth here. Okay, this is all about the herbivores. Dear students, here the question may come. Define herbivores and give example. The animals that eat only plants and or plant products are known as herbivores. For example, deer, buffalo, goat and cow. You have to remember these definition. Let us see the next one. Carnivores. The animals that eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. Yes, dear students, here the animals what they will do? They will eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, flesh they will eat here. So for such animals we are calling what here? For such animals we are calling carnivores. The animals that eat flesh of other animals are known as carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, leopard and wolf. These are the example for carnivores. Which are the example for carnivores? Lion, tiger, leopard and wolf. Nothing but these animals what they will do? They will eat flesh of other animals. ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ದು ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ತಿಂತವೆ ಇವು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಲಯನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಟೈಗರ್, ಲಿಯೋಪಾರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ವೂಲ್ಫ್. ಈ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. They have a sharp teeth and claws to grasp and tear the flesh here. See dear students, these animals they are having a sharp teeth here. ಯಾಕೆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಟೀತ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಈ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ? ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇರ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Yes, they have to tear the flesh. So for that purpose these animals are having a sharp teeth and claws. Okay, flesh eating birds such as eagle have a sharp claws to catch their prey and special hooked beaks to tear off the flesh here. Okay, carnivore birds such as eagle, they are having what here? They are having a sharp claws they are having to catch their prey, and special hooked beaks are there. Why the beaks are present in birds? To tear off the flesh. In the birds, okay, the birds will tear the flesh with the help of their beaks here. So here you have to remember the definition of a carnivores and their example. So the next one is a omnivore. The animals that eat both plants and animals are known as omnivores. Dear students, omnivores are nothing but these animals what they will do? They will eat both. Even the plants also they will eat, and even the animals also they will eat. For them we are calling omnivores. ಈ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಂತವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಂತವೆ. ಇಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಓಮ್ನಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನಿವೋರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ದು ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಿಂತವೆ ಕಾರ್ನಿವೋರ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಓಮ್ನಿವೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಸ್ omnivores. The animals that eat both plants and animals are known as omnivores. For example, bear, raccoon and birds like crow and a woodpecker. These are the some of the example for omnivores. Which are the example for omnivores? Bear, raccoon and birds like a crow and woodpecker. These are the some of the example for omnivores. You can see the picture of raccoon. This is an omnivore. Dear student, this raccoon is there, no? It will eat both. It will eat even plants also, and even it will eat animals also for food. Okay. And this is a wolf. This wolf will eat only the flesh of other animals. So it is a carnivore, and raccoon is a omnivore. Okay. Dear students, today what we have studied? We have studied about the adaptation for a food. Nothing but the animals are categorized on the basis of their eating habits. Yes, on the basis of eating habits, animals are divided into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites. So today we have discussed about the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. In the next class, we will discuss about the scavengers and parasites. Till that, dear students, you have to read the lesson how much I have taught, and you have to mark the important definitions and the examples also. In the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.